Hello musicians! In this short tutorial, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about keeping time. Now this is a metronome. Now this is great for keeping time, and I would recommend every musician should use a metronome regularly. In Audacity, we have a tool in there to keep us in time as well. That's called a click track. Now a click track is just like a metronome, but it's recorded into your recording. It's recorded into your tracks so that you can hear it in your headphones as you record all your new tracks. It's a really useful feature because we do tend to drift from time to time on our tempo. Now let's have a look at how to actually create a click track in Audacity. You'll notice I have a blank project. I'm going to go up to the Generate menu and I'm going to pull down to Click Track. Now we have a few options here, but we're only going to worry about the top three: tempo, beats per measure, and number of measures. First of all, our tempo. Right now it's set to 120. You can change this to whatever tempo you're performing. Let's say 110. It can be whatever you like. You can decide that. Next is the beats per measure. And of course, that's the count. For when we have 4, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. If it was 3, it would go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So depending on the piece of music you're recording, you're going to want to change that. I'm going to leave it at 4. Now the next is the number of measures. Right now it's set to 16. That's kind of low. If you're doing a piece of music, you may have 200, 400 measures. So 16, you'd run out. You don't want your click track to run out partway through your song. So you can give yourself quite a few here, maybe 200 or so. That way you won't run out. I'm going to leave it at 16 just for now. And I'm going to click OK. Now you see we have a click track. Let's push play and have a listen. There you go. So you can perform along with that by clicking record and performing right along with that click track. And when you're all done, the last thing you could do is hit the X right here to delete that click track. There you go, and it's gone. You can also mute it if you need to, or solo it if you need to. It functions the same as any track. So there you go. That's how to create a click track in Audacity.